So today we're gonna finish cleaning out the Gremlin, and we're going to replace a trim piece that's broken on the that's not broken on the inside.
So what's the plan with that piece?
That piece is supposed to go under the dash as like some place to put your knickknacks and stuff.
Okay. So what are you going to do to it?
We're going to paint it. So first we're going to wash it, put some primer on it, spray black to match the interior. So here is the broken piece. As you see, it's definitely broken.
And
right there. Oh.
Emerson is doing his goofy thing.
The Gremlin is fun. See? Funny. Goofy head over here. Okay. So wait, what were you doing? You're cleaning stuff out.
Yeah.
We got
found
extra mirrors.
some push rods and some mirrors and some bolts in the front.
Some extra goodies here. We're not sure exactly what they're from. This mirror, there's a different hole here than what's here. So that maybe is a different mirror.
So we're gonna see if anything's else here and figure it out. So I guess right here is some interior bolts and stuff.
Okay, don't lose that. It's even packaged.
Oh wait, what is that?
What do we got? Looks like there's an amp already in this car. Okay, there's an amp. And we see some wiring, and it has an aftermarket unit already. So they put a CD player in it. My guess, it either runs the speakers and the CD player, because there's no speakers in it right now, or it ran a sub and the speakers and the CD player. So something you're gonna have to figure out what you want and figure out what you're gonna put on it.
Yeah.
Because the door cards look pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Black. Just gotta find some speakers to install. Black vinyl. Most of the hardware is here, it looks like. Just need a speaker. Cool.
That's cool. Shh! We stole one of my bowls. Don't tell her. So, we're gonna start cleaning it with the microfiber cloth and the soapy water we did inside.
It's pretty dirty. Make sure you wash it up good.
Very dirty.
Be gentle with it so we don't break this piece. These pieces are getting old. 40 plus years old of plastic. It's a pretty evening. The old sunset with the Grimmy. Why are you getting me wet? Oh! No, it's splashing me. Why don't you calm her down over there, Sudsy? It's like a water trough.
Turn it off!
Turn it off! Okay. Gotta dry it now.
How are we gonna dry it?
Air compressor.
Oh yeah! Pistol or not?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna dry it with the air compressor.
Not at me. Whoa, that was.
We got the first can of primer shaken up, and now we're going to start. Okay, we got the primer layer done. So next step is we're gonna put the black coat.
Done. Ready? Let's go. Black coat.
First coat of black on, and we're losing daylight, so we're gonna take it in the garage to dry overnight.
Yep, no more light. Sun's going down. The old sunsetty. We gotta do this outside so we got ventilation. Okay, we'll move it inside, let it dry overnight. Next video,
we're gonna install it. Yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe because we said before we're building the Gremlin.